Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to turn off your scroll lock. So basically, scroll lock is the thing that stops you from scrolling in your sheet. So for example, if you had like database that is so huge that can go to, I don't know, like the infinity, this scroll lock actually, for example, if you wanted to lock something, like for example, if you went in here and you didn't want it to move back or forward, you can actually use the scroll lock in order to stop it. But sometimes you use this scroll lock and you don't know how to turn it off. So basically in this video I will show you that. So first of all, as always, maybe sometimes you will find it here, but for me I don't have it. So basically what I'm going to do is pretty simple. Right click on here, so just like that, and from here, as you can see, here is scroll lock. So basically what I'm going to do is click on it. So I will turn it on. As you can see now, I will not be able to move it. But if you want to go back, for example, and to be able to move it, so you go here and you just have to click in here, and here it is. Of course, you can customize it, so you can customize this part from here and etc. And as I said, sometimes you will find it here, and sometimes you will not find it. So if you don't find it, make sure that you follow my step, which is go into your sheet, and then from your sheet, so let me just go back here. So from your sheet, you go and click here, right click. So as you can see here, and then go to scroll lock. And as you can see here, if I click on it, I will just simply turn it on. So yeah, guys, that was it with today's video. Please leave a like and thank you for watching.